ISC Engineering offers cable strain reliefs in over 88,000 configurations, including standard off-the-shelf and customized options, providing the design flexibility to meet application needs across a wide range of industries and applications. ISC Engineering cable strain reliefs are offered in round, rectangular, oval, and square body styles with solid or flexible ribs. Configurations are available for cable diameters from 0.1 inches to 0.75 inches and with various slot shapes and sizes, providing strain relief for everything from small signal cables to large power cables. Standard offerings are made of black PVC with a UL 94-V2 flammability rating, with other materials and colors available to order. Strain reliefs can be directly overmolded onto cables or assemblies, and PEI-Genesis is the only value-added distributor of ISC Engineering cable strain reliefs.